This is Kaylee's room. Kaylee doesn't live here anymore. She moved back to America. And until she comes back here to Canada, this room is mine. So I'm gonna take over and put my KLX 250 in here and do a little work to it over the winter.
Now I need to make this into more of a garage. Boom. We're gonna have to get the bike from outside. Inside. Who needs a big garage? The 2009 KLX 250S. I'd like to throw a 351 in it. What are you doing? We're just about ready to tear into this thing. One more thing I need to build though. Hold on one sec. There we go. I might change the color scheme up. I'm not too big of a fan of black and white. Might change it up and make it all black. I might consider making it all white. Okay, get out of here. So yeah, engine, carb, exhaust, probably change out the snorkel, a little bit of airbox modification, bars, mirrors, and then maybe some wheels. So we got a lot of stuff to do. It's January, it's middle of winter, it's snowing right now, and I got till it melts before I really need to finish this. Or till Kaylee comes back and wants her room, otherwise she'll be sleeping in the closet. That's the heavy son of a bitch. Everything's unbolted. I'm gonna see if I can get this engine out of here. There we go. And so it should be all together. The battery.
There's some shit going down. What? There's some shit going down up there.